Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So, students, before starting our chapter or topic, we will read fruit of the week, shape of the week. Alright? So, today's our fruit of the week is apple. What is this? Apple. Apple means save. Yes. Fruit of the week is apple. Alright? Fruit of the week is apple. Alright? Shape of next is shape of the week is which shape is this? Triangle. Yes. Shape of the week is triangle. Shape of the week is triangle. Alright? And color of the week is red. Color of the week is red. Color of the week is red. Alright? Red color. Color of the week is red. Okay? Sentence of the week is I love summer season. Sentence of the week is I love summer season. मुझे समर सीजन पसंद है. Alright? Summer means गर्मी. Alright? Summer season. This is summer season. Alright? So I love summer season. Okay? Word of the week is summer. Word of the week is summer. Summer means garmi. Alright? It's a season. So, word of the week is summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Word of the week is summer. Alright? Month of the year is May. Month of the year is May. M-A-Y, May. Month of the year is May. Which month is this? Yes, this is May. Alright? Month of the May. So, month of the year is May. Alright? So, let's start our chapter. Okay? So, take out your English notebook, UKG class. Alright, this is your English period. Take out your pencil, eraser. Okay? So, let's start. We have already learned about cursive writing, capital cursive writing, A to P. Alright? We have already done A to P. Now, we will continue it. So, firstly, put the date here. Alright. Now, cursive writing. Alright. Cursive writing. Okay. Now, Q to U. Alright, Q to U. So, first letter is Q. You have to write like this, Q. Circle and curve. Circle and curve. Q for Queen. Q for Queen. Q for quill. Alright? So, you have to write 6 times like this. Next letter is R. Okay? R. you have to write like this. Like this. R for rose. R for rabbit. R for red. Okay. Next letter is S. S for swan. S for sun. Alright. S for swan. S for sun. S for ship. Slanting line and curve. Alright. Slanting line, small curve and big half curve. S. Alright. Next letter is T. You have to write like this, T. Okay. It's not J. It's T. Okay. Like this. S-A or S-A. You have to write like this. T for tiger. T for television. T for table. Alright. T. Next letter is U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Okay. U. U. Alright. So, today's we have learned only 5 letter Q, R, S, T, U. Alright. Q, R, S, T, U. Okay. You have to write like this in your English notebook. Alright. English की notebook में आपको सेम ऐसे ही करना है. Alright. Okay. Q, R, S, T, U. Q for queen, quill. R for rose, rabbit, red. S for swan, ship. T for tiger, table. U for umbrella. Alright. So it's your homework for today. Do practice again and again. Alright. Not only in this notebook. Okay. You can also practice these letters in your rough notebook and another notebook. Alright. Rough notebook. You have to do practice. Okay. So it's your homework, and now we will revise again all letter A to U. Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Alright? It's revision. Okay, class? So you have to do practice like this in your rough notebook. Okay? A to U letter. So it's enough for today, class. Alright? Do practice again and again. A to U. Alright? So thank you.